Hi Glampers, so we just got back from a big trip. We're gonna go part 2 of the batteries on this. We're gonna go a little slower. We routed ourselves as flat as we possibly could. I think we got a 30-mile route to stay as flat as we can. I don't know if I can do 30-mile with my weight on here, but we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
I think what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do that 30-mile. We're not gonna exhaust the battery.
No, I think we're just gonna make it back and
Do the 30-mile and then see where the batteries are, right?
Yep.
So I don't really feel like it. It's really early. It's going to be about 2.5, 3 hours, I think. But we're going to keep it in some of the lower settings. We're not going to go on 1 on the pedal assist. I think that would be way too much work. So we're going to stick in the 2 and 3 range.
Yep.
But we are going to be pedaling, not using the throttle nearly as much or at all. So
yep.
Here we go. So if you notice, we're wearing our full cycling gear for our road bikes just because we wanted to be more comfortable. 30 miles on anything is not comfortable.
It's not fashionable.
No, not fashion, but comfort. All right, let's go. How's it going, brother? You notice hand signals we give each other to watch out for stuff in the road. Joni was like, car back. That means there's a car behind us. Car back. We got another one coming. This stuff we do as cyclists to make sure we stay safe. If you go to the right here, if you follow this road, up in the top you see the Honda plant. It's the Marysville Honda plant. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Lost my first bar.
At 5 miles, you lost one.
Yeah, but it came back because we were going downhill, so I wasn't pedaling. So, but I just lost my first bar. I think she's at full bar still.
I am.
So, just you know, it's the fact of I'm not the ideal weight that they test these at. Whew, 10 miles, 10.4 to be exact. We're taking a water break in the town of Raymond. I'm down 3 bars now. hit 15 miles, which is halfway of our ride. I still have 1 bar above half, and I'm amazed. But I've been working hard. Haven't used my throttle at all, but to get started. It's a lot of work.
All this work thinking I'm trying to get as much out of my battery. We're committed 17 miles out.
Almost 18.
Yeah, we still got to get home, and if this battery runs down, these bikes are really heavy to pedal all by themselves, so it's like there's this give and take constantly, but we're committed. We're definitely committed to it. We brought some breakfast with us, so we're gonna stop and eat real quick and then jump back on here.
Mine's an 18.3. It'll put me at 29.3.
That's close enough.
And I actually gained 1 above half just by stopping.
Yeah.
So, just hitting 20 mile, and I'm down to 3 bars left. And we're still 10 miles from home, 9.5, 10 miles from home, so these last 3 bars are going to be crucial if I want to get home without a major struggle. I mean, I'm struggling now, but I'm getting help. But a little tip on the batteries, I just dropped down to 2 bars with about 5 miles to go, but I've noticed when it drops 1 and then it comes back, then when it drops again, it never comes back to that bar. So it came back to 3, and when I lose 3, it'll never come back to 3 again, so it'll stay at 2. So with 5 miles, and we got all the hills to come, we stayed as flat as we could, but we live in hills, so getting home, we're gonna hit hills.
Mike just probably will die.
It's probably payback for when Joni ran out and I didn't get her with the truck, so it's my payback. Let's get it.
Yeah.
That's how many bars I have not saying hi. Or anything, it's also the wind. When we turn up here, we're going to be dead into the wind.
Where's your mileage at?
27.
this is a really steep one.
Woo. All right, so we made it to the top of the hill. A lot of effort. Trying to conserve battery. I still got 1 bar showing. I don't know how long that's going to last. Strong.
Hey, I made it to 200 miles. Look at that. 200, y'all.
All right, guys, so 30.4 mile. My bar actually went up to 2.
It started to rain just now, so
we just beat it, really.
yeah, we got
getting
back
sprinkled on,
just in
but
time.
we did 30.4 mile. Was able, I didn't lose power. Actually, I went back up to 2 again. I think it's just because coming downhill, I wasn't pedaling, which regenerates a little bit of battery. But I will say, for a guy my size to be able to go 30 mile on this, I think we averaged probably around 16 mile an hour.
Easily, yes.
That's pretty impressive, because on our road bikes, we can average 16 mile an hour, and it's a job. 17 mile an hour, that's work. This was work, don't get me wrong. 30 miles is doable. Maybe not at level 5, but we was at level 3. Pedal assist 3, so. All right, y'all. So there you go. Lectric XPs. 30 mile for a guy my size, 6'2", 240-ish.
With effort.
With effort. I mean, I was putting in effort, but we had a headwind a lot of the time, and we were in some smaller hills, and we still made it. So, hope you like this content. Hope you subscribe, share this video, leave some comments below. We love talking to y'all, and thanks for watching us. We really appreciate every one of you. Other than that, happy glamping.